Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and today I will be swatching and talking about the new Holo Taco, Pastel and Don't Tell bundle. So this bundle has been out for quite some time now, but I've actually pre-recorded this I think like 4 weeks ago or something like that, and I just simply didn't have the time to edit it and put it up yet until now. So yeah, I am just going to quickly show you all of the bottles and then get into the swatching because I am pretty happy with these colors. But first of all, before applying your polish, make sure that you're working on clean and nail polish free nails. These are my natural nails. I just tend to like get it out there because I get questions about it so often. A lot of people actually don't believe me when I say my nails are actually natural and homegrown, but they are. And please excuse the little bit of new growth. I do apply a thin coat of gel polish base and top coat to my natural nails to strengthen them a little more because I have quite a heavy duty, like super manual daytime job. But the first color I am applying is Serial Killer. I really love this color. I love purples, lavenders and lilacs like this. It's just really gorgeous, very spring-like indeed, and just really stunning. So if you're like me and you like your pastel kind of lilac tones, this one is the one for you. I am just applying 2 coats of this color. I have to say I really wasn't disappointed with the first coat already. But of course, never judge a polish by its first coat because most of the times they're actually quite buildable with a second or sometimes third layer. I do have to say that my personal preference goes out for polishes that are completely opaque within 2 coats, and thankfully all of the 6 shades from this collection were completely opaque. And once again, excuse the little new growth around my cuticle area. I just didn't have time to fix that yet. You know, times are really busy. Like spring is like busy as we speak, summer is coming up, like work is busy, everything like that. So I'm actually struggling to keep my nails in order, to be honest. And that's something I don't like because, you know, I like my nails to look pretty and just fully like taken care of, but sometimes life just gets in the way. Then the second color I'm swatching here already is called Pinky Swear. I am personally a big pink lover. This one is kind of like strawberry milkshake color, so it's quite light, which is something that I don't dislike. I feel like it's a really wearable color like this because sometimes pinks can be really in your face and not everyone's cup of tea. But because it is quite a light color, it is a little sheer within that first coat, but then again, it's not like it's unbuildable. With that second layer, it's actually pretty decent. I would say if you have shorter nails than me, you are perfectly fine with 2 coats, but I feel like I could have used a third one just to make it look like more flush and not see like patchiness or something like that. Oh, and if I sound a little rambly or like winded out or something, that is because I have just finished working for 6 days straight, like 6 days in a row. I'm exhausted. This was a super long week. I even had like a whole like company situation party going on, which I was partly hosting with my coworkers, and my days, like I got home so late. And you know, 6 days in a row is just crazy. So if I'm a little bit all over the place, that is why, because I'm actually like doing this after the 6 days of work. And oh my, I am tired. But next up is Rest in Peach. I do have to say I think this is my least favorite color from this collection because it is a little bit close to my own like skin tone. I don't know what it is. It's a little bit too beigey for my likings. I would have really liked it to be a little bit more orange, if you know what I mean. Once again, it is just as light as the previous pink color, so it is still quite sheer within the first coat, but the second coat is making it look a lot better already. Once again, I would prefer to add a third layer just to make it super opaque. But then again, not everyone has the long length of nails that I do, so if you have shorter ones, I am pretty sure that you're good to go within 2 coats. But then again, I am quite like nitpicky when it comes to polishes not being perfectly opaque. And I don't know, maybe I could get away with just 2 coats myself, but when I see the footage, I would be like, let's just add a third one. Then the next color is actually one of my favorites, and I don't say that often because yellows, I do generally like them, but they really aren't my favorites. They're just a little bit like in the between spot of like, I do like them, but I'm not obsessed with it. But this color, Banana Medicine, is actually really cute. I think it's perfect for spring, it's perfect for summer. I think you can actually do some really cute like fall designs with it as well. If you combine it with oranges and brown tones, I think that's really nice. And yellows are actually one of the colors that are quite hard to make super opaque. Like a lot of yellow polishes are super sheer and quite difficult to like build them up, but I didn't have any issues with this one. Of course, all of these colors are super creamy. I also really love like the wider brush that came with these bottles. Like I'm just a wide brush fan, let's just put it to that. Like sometimes the narrow brushes are handy if you have narrow nails, like especially my pinky nail, it's quite narrow, so it's a little bit harder to work with wider brushes on those. But you know, I just really like a wide like poofy brush, really nice. And this color, like Banana Medicine, it's just so fun. It's so like such a happy color. Next up is a green polish, and if you have been hanging out with me here at my YouTube channel, you know that green is my least favorite color. And I don't know which one I dislike the most, or I don't hate it. But the peach and the green are definitely at the bottom when it comes to like ratings from these 6 polishes. I don't know, green, it's just not really my thing. When it comes to nail polishes, at least, it is quite a nice soft minty green color, but nah, I don't know, it's just not for me. But of course, if green floats your boat, definitely check it out, because even though once again it is quite a light shade, it was really nicely opaque within that second coat. These polishes are just nice and creamy, and I love it. I would love to see these colors like similar colors to this with like a glitter or shimmer in it or something, or maybe like a holographic kind of sheen. I don't know. I just really love creamy polishes. That's just my personal opinion. Definitely let me know what you think about creamy polishes. Are you team cream? Are you team glitter or shimmer or anything like that? Let me know in the comments down below. But then the 6th and final color is actually one that I really love as well. It is a very nice sky blue kind of tone. This one is called Too Good to Be Blue. It's very cutesy, very sky-like. You can do some really cool like cloud and sky nail art designs with them. I think it's a perfect base color for that. All of these colors are pretty much perfect base colors for like nail art or something like that. If you're into stamping or maybe even like water decals or something, these colors are really nice to use as a base, or maybe even do like a water marble with. I'm not quite sure how well they will work for water marbles because I haven't tried that so far. But the colors are quite nice, and I think that if you would apply a white base underneath and then do a water marble with these 6 shades, I think the colors will be quite bright and popping. But yeah, then again, this 6th and final color is pretty much opaque within the second coat as well. And yeah, this was pretty much the entire video already. And just a little extra information about this collection. They were $72, but they are discounted to $66 already for all 6 pieces. They contain 12 milliliters of polish. They are vegan, cruelty free, and I think they are 5 free as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below, and I'd love to see you in my next video.